Are you looking to create custom greeting cards for your loved ones or for your business? Well, today we will be showing you how to design a custom greeting cards in Canva. So let's get started. First, open up Canva and select the card template option. Choose the size of your greeting card. It can be anything that you want, but typically it is 5 inches by 7 inches or 4 inches by 6 inches. Select any one of them and hit create. The next step is to choose a right template that suits your greeting card occasions, or start from scratch and create your own design. For this time we will be using the templates. Just search here for the greeting card. Here are many of the greeting cards. For example, if you want to say thank you to someone, you can choose this template. Or if it's someone's birthday, you can choose this one. You can scroll down to find the right template for your needs. For now, I'll be choosing this one. I'm going to drag and drop it here. This is just for a baby shower, so let's just make some changes to it. You can see there are some of them which are not available. Just click on it and then click on delete. You can add the background of this image. Just simply click on elements. Here select this shape and place it right here. And increase its size so it covers the whole canvas board. Just click on it and then just right click here and click on layers and send to back. Select this color, you can change it. And there you have it. You can change the name here just by double clicking on it and write the name of the baby. And again, simply just by double clicking on it, you can change the date. Again, if you want to change the address, just double click on it and change the address that you want. If you want to change color of these, just simply select all of them and change the color from here. Let's use the darker color. Yeah, that's all right. Once you're done with this, just simply click on File and click on Download. You can choose the PNG format to download this, and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you have created a personalized and unique greeting card that is sure to impress your loved ones. So if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.